Wow. Is this window? Because there's a... Can you... Oh, okay, sorry. Thank you. Thank you. I want that.
Alright, so you need to remember your table number C9 because our floor is moving. Okay?
Aha.
Yeah. And then our restaurant is a buffet.
Yep.
Aha.
Have a coffee and tea.
Alright.
Aha.
Take. And then our waiter serve you plain water, cool water.
Aha.
If you want orange juice, soft drink, motel or other drink, additional charge for it.
Okay.
Okay? And then you guys can stay here until 5 o'clock.
Okay.
Alright.
But after 5 o'clock, we can go to the observation deck. Thank you.
So we can go down after.
Yeah.
What's up?
If because you can stay at the observation deck until 9. Stay until 9.
As long as you won't exit, you
Yeah.
can go
But
back
you
and
Up and
forth.
down, up and down.
But if you're already out from the main lobby, you cannot come again.
Okay.
Ah.
Yeah. Thank you.
So
Enjoy.
Thank you.
Thank you. You can take a coffee.
Oh, gumagalaw tayo.
Gumagalaw tayo.
Are we moving now?
Tony, akin na yung picture mo. Ito oh, nasa site tayo na maganda.
So after how many years? After 13 years, right?
Ako 2023.
Oh, 2023.
Kasi sila
After 13
meron.
years, bago kami nakapunta.
Ay, pero meron dito yung talagang uupo ka.
Dito rin ata yun eh. Yan din yun.
Ito
ah.
rin no, hindi.
Hindi ba yan?
Ay, oo, ito rin ata.
Ano to din tayo eh.
Tony, picture kita ano, ayan oh.
Picture na to.
Tony, habang nandito oh.
Habang nakatapat ka pa sa ano, sa...
Yun oh, sa Twin Tower.
Ayan, ano ba to? Tawag dyan?
Anong tower
Taas na-
ito?
Ito ba yung mobile phone? My mobile phone. Hindi.
Paano ba ito? Ayan.
Picture mo na.
Sige na, okay na.
Mga bilog.
Ah.
Kami ni bro, ikot lang kami. Ako picture sila.
Isa dito pa ko.
Tingnan natin.
Yung tower kasi na yan ang pinapakita.
Rest of the floor. Why are you taking so much floor?
Eh kasi hindi kita, dapat upupo ka dyan na eh. Dapat ganun ang kuha mo, anak.
May difference.
Dumb.
Tani. Yan.
I hate when you take pictures.
Paano nga? Ikaw ako, picture mo ka.
Nawawala yung
You're bad.
nawawala yung
Against the light din kasi.
Hahanap tayo ng magandang anak spot. Tara.
Kasi it's the morning. So against the light.
Mamaya anak, mag-family picture tayo. Nakaporma tayo lahat eh. Mamaya mag-family pic tayo.
Vamos dito. Mas malapit pa pagaling dito.
Ha?
Mas malapit pagaling dito. Lahat ng gusto, mga gusto. This is my beautiful wife. Bibigyan niya ako ng pera. So, dami niya kumain pero akala mo nag-diet pero marami kumain.
Of course. ito ang sarap. Dapat siya maglagay ka muna lahat doon ng ano.
Ng mga food.
Oo.
Okay na to?
Oh, punuin mo pa.
Pwede na.
Kaya nga, punuin mo na. Tapos,
Ilagay mo muna yung sa table. Tapos baba.
takuha ako nito.
Kanina ba ito sa'yo?
Oo. Punuin mo pa yun sa... Uy, chicken feet lang pala to. Kumuha ka muna, boss. Tapos lagay mo lang doon sa table.
Bakit?
Para hindi tayo kuha ng kuha. Ano lang?
Si Ju, anong kinakain ni Ju?
Talagyan mo to, ha? Dessert pa.
Ano ba ito? Order na